In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily mark all text messages as read on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to open up Messages app. Here, as you can see, I've got pretty much unread messages. If we would like to mark just one single message as read, then first off we can just enter that conversation, and then if we go back we can see that it is no longer marked as unread. Also, we can mark a conversation as read without even entering it. To do that, just swipe to the right and then hit right here at this button. If you would like to mark all or several conversations as read at once, then first off you need to tap right here at these three dots and then select the first option, select messages. After that, you can manually choose some conversations you would like to mark as read, and then down below here tap read. If you would like to mark all the text messages as read at once, tap right here, go to select messages, and then hit add read all. That's how it can be easily done, and if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.